Hi everyone, myself Swarnika, your favorite manifestation coach, and today we are going to discuss about vision boards. I have always made a virtual vision board. I always liked creating them, those aesthetic pictures and all that stuff, but I never made a physical one. And the only reason was that what if others will judge me? I live in my house and मेरे parents room में आ जाएंगे. My brothers will be there and they'll be watching it. But this time I literally made a decision and I told myself कि Swarnika, if you are not going to judge yourself, nobody else will. If you are not at all judging yourself for that vision board, your parents, your brothers, your friends, nobody else will. Because what are they? They are just a reflection of me. So today, yes, I am making my vision board for the next year. And I know I'm going to manifest all of it, but yes, let's make it together. But before we start, today I have a few pointers for making your own vision board. Now, the first thing when you are making your vision board, सबसे पहली चीज जो जरूरी है that is clarity. Be clear of your goals. You can make a list of all the things that you want to manifest for the next year, right? आप उन चीज़ों का पहले एक लिस्ट बनाओ. Get the clarity कि what is it that you exactly want. Is it a nice house, a car, or maybe a good job, maybe just to get hired at least, or a college, or your SP, or that trip, or a particular kind of lifestyle. Aesthetics, right? So, it can be anything, but first of all, your vision board is not just a collection of mere aesthetic pictures you picked up from Google and Pinterest or Instagram. It is pure reflection of what you are serious about. So, इसीलिए the next time or when this time you are planning your vision board, make sure that आप अच्छे से एक list बना लो. You're very much clear about what you want, what you are manifesting, and then select those pictures. Select those pictures from Instagram, from your what do we call, Pinterest, Google, anywhere. Just select those pictures. Get done with those pictures. Select those pictures and then download them. Download them, get them printed. I know getting them printed is also a hard part. Now the simple reason is जब भी हम printouts निकलवाने चाहते हैं, we have this thought, what if the other person judges me? कि मैं एक बड़े से मैंशन की पिक्चर लेके जा रही हूँ, या मैं आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग पिक्चर ऑफ अ कपल, मैरिज प्रपोजल, और एनीथिंग, मे बी अ ट्रिप टू समवेयर और बैंक बैलेंस. बट यू नो व्हाट, just stop with that fear. Just literally stop with that fear. क्योंकि जब तक आप ये fear में रहोगे ना, it will keep on repeating, it will keep on manifesting. But the moment you drop that fear, you won't be judged. This time when I was going to get my pictures print, because I never made a physical vision board, I was very 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 much concerned कि जिससे मैं pictures print कराने वाली हूँ, that is my friend. What if he judges me? What if he's like, तू क्या ले आई है? Why do you even want these pictures? What are you even planning to do? And I was like, fuck it. I don't care. I am going to make that, I'm going to get them printed. I am going to get them printed. And I did it. And trust me, उसने मेरे से पूछा भी नहीं, why do I even want those pictures? What am I going to do with them? Or in the first place, कि ये क्या है? No, he did not. And I got them printed. And next part, after getting your pictures printed, नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग योर विजन बोर्ड, मेक श्योर कि आप उनको नीट एंड क्लीनली सेग्रीगेट करो. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट कि ओके इट्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ पिक्चर्स, सो आपने रैंडमली पिक्चर्स प्लेस कर दी. ट्राई टू जस्ट गिव वन प्लेस टू ईच सेगमेंट. जैसे ओके, फॉर द लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, अप कॉर्नर, आई कैन गो फॉर अ फ्यू lifestyle pictures. For the bottom corner, I can go for SP pictures. So make sure you are placing them a bit categorized way. ठीक है, ताकि आपको clear रहे कि okay, if I'm focusing on this corner, then I'm focusing on this particular desire. Thirdly, I don't know it's third or not, but okay, thirdly, so next time you make your vision board, place it at some place where you can see it, जहाँ आप उसे regular basis पे देख सको. ठीक है, इट शुड बी समवेयर इट इज़ विजिबल टू यू, इन योर रूम स्पेसिफिकली. ऐसी जगह पे हो कि हाँ भाई आपकी नज़र पड़ रही है, यू आर एबल टू सी इट. क्योंकि आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड व्हेन वी मेक डिजिटल विजन बोर्ड्स, वी डोंट ऑफन लुक ऑन देम. मेरे साथ भी था, डेलिबरेटली मैं जाके देख लूँ तो देख लूँ, बट मैं ऐसे कॉन्शियसली अनकॉन्शियसली उसको नहीं देख रही थी, राइट. एंड वी वॉन्ट टू सैचुरेट आवर ब्रेन. एंड आपको उससे ना लाइक व्हेन यू हैव दैट थिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टू सी, आपके ब्रेन को थोड़ा ये भी मिलता है, ये चीज़ भी पता चलती है कि ओके वी आर रिपीटेडली सीइंग दैट थिंग, तो वो आपको विजुअल्स आपके ब्रेन में कलेक्ट करने में भी काफ़ी हेल्प करता है. सो येस, that's all I was gonna talk about. Let's get further and make my vision board for the next year because I'm really excited about it. Okay, so we are done with our work here, and I've finally created my first physical vision board. दो एक चीज़ मुझे कम लगी, like कमी लगी. I actually wanted to make it horizontal, but I don't know why I made it vertical. But it's alright, I still find it super cute. And here's a tip. Here's a tip when you are making your vision board, that make sure get yourself some photos that are like photos, क्योंकि ये paper printouts can get dirty. I really feel like they can get dirty and I need to do something of it, like taping or something, so that it remains intact for the entire year. So yeah, I hope this inspired you to make your own vision board for next year and start this new year with so much of good vibes, because I don't know why, I can feel it. I can feel it that this year is going to be absolutely amazing, and I've already started preparing a lot of things like writing my scripts, becoming more consistent with affirming and visualizing. Though I'm not a visualization person, still I'm trying my best to do it, and then creating a vision board. Like, this is the first time I did it and it feels super amazing. Another thing that I really want to mention is that जब भी तुम विजन बोर्ड बनाओ ना, डोंट ड्वेल इनटू द एस्थेटिक्स कि मेरा बोर्ड ऐसा लगना चाहिए, वैसा लगना चाहिए, और वो जैसे पिंटरेस्टी सा होता है हमेशा वैसा ही दिखना चाहिए. नो, लिटरली नो. आप अपने लिए एक विजन बोर्ड बना रहे हो, दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए एक शो पीस नहीं बना रहे हो. सो इट्स ऑल राइट इफ योर विजन बोर्ड इज अ बिट मेसी. इट्स ऑल राइट इफ योर विजन बोर्ड इज नॉट दैट एस्थेटिक जैसा आप इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक्स और अदर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे देखते हो. Your vision board should be connected to you and you. It's not meant to just be a show off to the world. It's meant for you to accomplish what you have dreamt and desired. So yes, that's it all for the today's video, and make sure to subscribe. And yes, coming soon with more videos in the new year.